How's it going, folks? Sorry for the wobbliness. If you haven't checked me out, go to Instagram. I'm on there. I try to post regularly. I think I'm on there as Man the Maintenance. You'll notice my face, my gorgeous face from my YouTube picture, because it's the same one. But on there was a giveaway for Mother's Day. Some of you guys may recognize the company name of Workpro. They gave away a pink 75-piece lady tool set, and I was a winner. So as a fan of Workpro tools, my mom is not going to use this, but my wife, who is a mother of my 2 children, will use it, and hopefully my daughter will. But I would like to do an unboxing to see what it's all about, because I do like Workpro tools, and we'll check this out, okay? Let's dig in here. Nice, fun unboxing. And I thought it was a great idea for them as a company to do this promotion. That's a great promotion. I'm very, very thankful that I won, because I get to check out what's inside. So let's have a gander here. I do like how Workpro boxes things. It's very neat. Thoughtful. Alright, so we open up the box, and right there is a pink tool bag. Alright, with some plastic wrapping. And with everything you buy, you get a thank you card with a little note from Great Star Tools, and you get this in every single one. They are on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So if you have not checked Workpro tools out, please do. I think they're pretty quality. I think they're quality tools, the hand tools. And I've been impressed with the cordless tools. This is not, you don't have to go and listen to me, but I've had very good luck with their tools, and that's the reason why I like, reviewing them, checking them out. So let's get into it. We got a nice pink bag. It says Workpro on the side. Got a big pocket there. It has a nice clip, and 3 pockets on the other side. Got Velcro on the strap to hold this together. Let's see here. Got 2 zippers. So we shall cut these off, or the safety clip off. So yeah, check them out. They do have giveaways, and you never know, you might win. Now I do like Workpro bags. I think they are very thoughtful in the way they make them. You got pockets, all different sizes, and for me, they've seemed they've held up very well. They give you a pamphlet of their tool lineup, and it's definitely grown. They're whoa, no, man down. Oh man! All right, look at this. Got a pink Workpro knife. So that's like a quick. Wow, that's different. Slides out on the side. for the actual. And then if you need like a quick like box cutter, you can do that. Or it might be for, I wouldn't think, you wouldn't want to change the blade like that, but blade change, push a button, flip it around, and we're back in business. And look at that, blade storage, and they got 2 extra blades in there. And I mean, it's like a Stanley. You know, they make Stanleys like this. It doesn't feel as thick and rugged as a Stanley, but you know, nice knife for the kit. Alright, let's dig into it here. We got a screwdriver. I'm sure there's probably a bunch of tips for it. Alright, here we go. I see some tips. We got pretty much every tip you need. H1/16, H3/32, H1/8, H5/32, T25s, T20s, T15s, PH3s, PH2s, PH1s, PH0s. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's probably one more in here. Got a flashlight. I do not have batteries down here. See what kind of batteries it takes. So it's like a Duracell type of one that you'd buy in line. It's LED. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what kind of quality it is, but I'm sure you can't go wrong with a little LED flashlight. It's metal, feels metal, maybe plastic coated, but it's nice. Has LED lights. I wish I could test it right now, but I cannot. Scissors. Those seem actually very good. They're comfortable in the hand. Let's see here. Yep, they cut good. They cut good. So we got scissors. We got bits for the screwdriver. We got a LED flashlight. Got a hammer. Workpro hammer. Nice pretty pink. 340 grams. Somebody calculate that and leave it in the comment section. Feels like a 10 ounce, 12 ounce, maybe 8, I don't know. Oh, yep, here we have more bits. We got squares 0 to S3. That's always handy to have. Well, look at this. Get an extra 10 razor blades for the knife. Got a 10-foot little tape measure here, and oh, I see. It's you pushing the button to bring it back in. Well, it has measurements and you know, a little 10-footer. Yeah, Yeah, you'll keep it in the drawer. I will say this though, I mean, it's not gonna have a great standout, but in terms of, well, I mean, we're at about 4 foot standout. But for a 10-footer, that's not half bad, you know. Definitely take it. Sorry, I can't. That phone's gonna piss me off. You get a nice little, you get anchors, some screws, nice little kit there. 4 precision screwdrivers. We got 3 flatheads and 1 Phillips head, PH00, and the end twists, so you can get in there and be precision like. It's hard to go wrong with these smaller precision screwdrivers. Let's see, we got a Crescent Wrench, a little 6-inch. A little bit of play in that jaw. But is it good enough to get the job done? For 6-inch one, yeah, probably. I do like the grips on these. These are comfortable grips. I'm getting softer in my old age. Oh, here's another precision screwdriver. We have Allen keys, and these are SAE, and they go from 1/16 to 1/4. Pretty standard. We got more screwdriver bits, flatheads, and some PZs. Just got some regular pliers here, slip joint. I have to say, I mean, alright, listen. In my opinion, and not saying that there aren't girls out there that kick ass and do awesome work, alright? But for your average female consumer that might be willing to do a little bit of work around her residence, whether like probably an apartment, okay? And we're not we're talking about putting together IKEA furniture or something along those lines. This would be an awesome kit, or even maybe if you buy your first home, just to have some tools. You know, I like these kits because it kind of gives you, if you don't know your direction, it gives you the general idea, and then you can build off of that. That being said, for, like I said, even a guy or something, I'm not saying girls don't kick butt in the industries and the trades, because they do. But I have to say, I mean, this, feeling it, how do I say this? It's thoughtfully made to get women who might have not wanted to do certain things to maybe do that. That's it. Like, the grips are really nice, you know, and the quality is there. The different tools are there. Like, we have needle noses here, right? See if the cutters are any good on them. You know, and I know girls not going to use this And I'm not, or a guy who buys this kit isn't going to use it to cut nails, but I mean, can it do it? I mean, it cut through that. And the grip is comfortable. So that's what I'm trying to say is, for certain people out there in the world, guys or girls, it's a thoughtfully made kit. I don't know if you can see that magnetic level. It's a thoughtfully made kit for someone that might have an interest to do some things. It's thoughtfully made. The grips are super nice. I mean, very comfortable on the hands. So there you have it. It's a nice little toolkit. Like I said, I don't know what they retail for. But if you're looking for a toolkit to get started, whether you're a guy or a girl, I'd rock pink. I don't care. Like I said, one thing I like about these toolkits is it gives you your general tools that you'll need, and then after that you'll kind of figure out what else you want to build on. Then you get ridiculous and you buy crazy stuff. This was a very thoughtfully made bag, and can't wait to have my wife and daughter try it out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'm knocking a few videos out tonight, and then we'll send them out during the week because I'm not sure if I'll be able to make new ones this week. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Take care. Later.